I've got an Olympus XA here, and it has an issue. The shutter is not firing, and the battery check looks okay. The shutter button's working because I know the self-timer is going off, but when it gets to the point where it tries to trigger the shutter, nothing happens. So we have an issue with this XA not firing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it up and take a look to see if there's anything obvious on the bottom plate that could be causing this issue. So yeah, let's go ahead. So to remove the bottom plate, we have 5 screws. We just need to remove these 5 screws to access the bottom. Okay, last screw. Okay, yeah, let's take a look. Remove the batteries. So I am wound. So the first thing that I'll do is I'll check this manual release lever right here to see if I can trip the shutter. And I can. So that looks okay. And let's take a look. Interesting. Okay, so this is one of the magnet release solenoids. And you can see that this guy here is kind of moving around freely. It should not be doing this. It should be up against this magnet solenoid right here. There should be a spring on the back of here that should be holding this down. I'll see if I can bring up an example of that. Here's an example of a XA shutter plate. And the same part that I was talking about here, it should be flapping back and touching here. And it might be visible here, but there should be a little spring right there. And that spring is responsible for holding this down. And it's possible if that's not into place, the shutter won't work. And so you can kind of see here, I hope you can see it anyway, that there may be the missing spring. So in a lot of cases, sometimes it falls off. I'm just going to go ahead and have a closer look here to see if I can see it. I might need to bring in some more light, unfortunately. Okay, I do see it. This is probably not going to come off in camera. But it's all the way down in there. All the way down in here. All the way down in there. So I'm going to go ahead and just see if I can fish out the spring. Yeah, sometimes it falls off when folks are cleaning the camera and it happens. These things can be very tricky and very finicky. So, sometimes it's just a matter of fishing out the spring and getting it reattached to the back of the magnet in order to get it to work. This is one of the more trickier repairs. I've got the spring right here. I just need to move it to the back of this guy right here. I can barely see it. Okay, I've got it. Okay. So the spring, hopefully can be seen. It's now on the back of this plate. We now have a springing action here. Just for good measure, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the magnet contacts with some acetone. Sometimes what happens is these magnet contacts get dirty, and then when folks go in and clean them, they might, see one of them. Yep, so now we're flat, but now sometimes what happens, people go in and they clean the magnet and they might knock off that spring. Definitely has happened before to me. So, okay. All right, now that we've got the magnets, contacts clean, I'm just gonna see if we're getting the expected behavior. You know, I see this thing flapping back and forth. So that's a good sign. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the batteries and see if we can get this guy to work. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, wonderful. Okay, so yeah, here we go. We've got the looks like we got the camera working. Yeah, we are responding to different light conditions, and yeah, that's excellent. Okay, so if you've got a XA, XA2, and you've tried to clean the magnets and it's not firing, then you know you might have a missing spring on the magnet holder. And in this case, for this XA, just being able to reposition the spring back onto the solenoid magnet, I was able to get this XA working again. And yeah, it looks to be like a great copy. The meter's working. The viewfinder meter seems to be working. So yeah, looking to get this back in with a fresh roll of film. Thank you for watching.